Welcome to the Rustic Design Minute.
Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about unusual uses for old wood corbels. To kick things off, let's talk about using corbels as a creative way to display your favorite books. Simply mount the corbels on your wall and place your books on top. Next! Have you ever thought about using corbels to create a stunning shelf for your plants? By attaching a piece of reclaimed wood on top of two corbels, you can create a unique, shabby chic plant shelf. Next! Do you need a place to hang your coats or hats? Try using corbels as a decorative hook. Simply add a hook or knob to the bottom of the corbel and voila! You have a stylish and functional piece. Next! Now, for those who love to entertain, corbels can be turned into one-of-a-kind wine rack. Attach a few corbels to the wall and slide your wine bottles in between them. It's an eye-catching way to store your wine collection. Next! Why not use corbels to make your entryway more inviting? Mount a few corbels on the wall and attach hooks to them. This creates a unique and practical spot to hang your keys, bags, and scarves. Next! Add a touch of shabby chic to your bathroom by using corbels as towel holders. Attach the corbels to the wall. It's an interesting and stylish way to keep your towels organized. Next! Last but not least, you can use corbels to elevate your bedroom aesthetic. Attach corbels to the wall behind your bed and drape fabric or fairy lights over them, creating a beautiful and cozy headboard. All right, guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Next! She keeps looking at me. You're ugly. Here's a tip for those who love to cook, and that's not me.